Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be just showing you guys how we organized my niece's second birthday. So we threw her a baby shark themed birthday party. So this video is basically going to be me, my voiceover of course. And you're going to see how me and my mom customized the treat bags. We had like baby shark marshmallow pops, juice boxes, everything. So just stay tuned, watch the video. This is a great little DIY. And yeah, stay tuned. Right, so in this clip, I'm just, printing out the images. And those images are the pictures that we decided to put on the goodie bags. These are the water bottle labels or juice labels. We put them on these little fruit juices. And then this is just a time lapse. It's kind of going fast, but I wanted the video to not be too long. That's just how the juices ended up looking afterwards. I think they turned out really great. Not it wasn't too difficult. It was actually really fun to do this. And yeah, next you're gonna see the cupcake stand. We got this cupcake stand off of Amazon. It was like $12. I think it was a good price. You guys will love it. Check it out. Here is a clip of my mom just filling up each bag. So basically the goodie bags just consisted of like little candies and little baby shark toys. These little arcade little like kid little, I don't know how to describe it, like gamer toys or whatever. Yeah, we added those, and then we added these baby shark body washes. So the baby shark body washes, we got those from Dollar Tree. So don't sleep on the Dollar Tree, guys. The Dollar Tree has a lot of good stuff. That's my little sister also helping fill up the bags. She wanted to be a helper, so this is like a family thing we did all together. This is the popcorn. So I got this popcorn from Big Lots. It matched everything perfectly. It blended perfectly. Those are the marshmallow pops. The marshmallow pops are, they don't really look like a shark, but the kids loved it. This is the popcorn inside of the little popcorn baggies. And then next, you're going to be seeing the lollipops. All right, here's another view of the juice. Boomerang action going on. Here's the backdrop. Like I said, I got this backdrop from Amazon. Around $10, not too bad. Those are just some center cutouts that we're gonna post up on the wall. Baby shark tablecloth. And here is the table before. So this is how the table looked before. My mom put her touches to it, of course, adding the candy and the candy jars. This is just me recording how the table looked before. She added those cute little hair bows onto the candy jars, which really made the table pop and stand out. And then you're gonna see exactly how the table looked afterwards, after she did her touches. Ooh, I got this balloon bouquet. So I got this baby shark balloon bouquet from Party City. You get about like 6 balloons for like $17. Taxes around $20. Not too bad. Here's our baby shark centerpiece we have. It's actually like a little center. It's a little storage container. So you can open it and place anything inside that you would like to place. And I'm going to show you guys a close-up of it and also go back some so you can see the entire view of the centerpiece. Perfect size, not too big. Those are some little plates, just some basic baby shark decor. The backdrop. So I'm just trying to give you guys a nice view of it, how big it is. This is the table as it's coming together slowly but surely. We still have to add, of course, the cakes. Like I was saying, my niece has 2 cakes. She's 2 years old. Those are her balloons. There it is. So that's her first cake we have. And then we have a second cake, which is this one. So she does have 2 cakes. And then some little treats on the table. We got cupcakes also and cake pops. And then you're going to see a view of the table. I'm trying to zoom back so you guys can see the table well. And then I'm just going to insert, this is just some clips of what's on the table so you can get a close-up view of it. Everything from popcorn to gummies to gumballs. Like I was saying before, cupcakes, marshmallow pops, everything. So yes, I'm giving you guys some more of the table action. I'm just really excited with how this turned out. I love the way it turned out. My mom does this as like a job of hers, so this isn't the first time I've done a dessert table or helped out with one, but it's very fun. I love the finishing product, how everything turns out, and I love to see everyone's reactions. Of course, the kids love it. My niece loved it. It turned out great. So of course, I'm just showing you guys the table once again. That's the purpose of this video too, also just to show you guys how the table turned out. And here is a clip of the kids outside with the piñata. Here are the treat bags before I forget to show you guys those. We customized them with stickers. And once again, last but not least, this is the final look at our candy bar, how it turned out. Alright, well, we're coming to an end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.